All right, we got it up on jack stands, and I guess this is where it's going to sit for a few months while we swap the engine, rebuild transmission, transfer case, front rear differential, re-gear them, 411 gears, of course new tires, new springs, ball joints, tie rod ends, the whole deal. Yeah, so I think right now we're just going to start taking stuff apart. All right, I'm going to start here with the rear end. We'll start disconnecting the drive shaft, brake line, parking brake cables, shocks, sway bar. I think both of these wheel cylinders were leaking, so they'll get replaced. All right, I'm going to take off these ridiculous running boards. Ow. I'm not sure whose genius idea it was to put these bolts on from the inside. It's just like put the nut on the close side. It's just so dumb. All right, I took the bolt out of the sway bar mount. Maybe I can like twist it around so the bolt will come out. I guess I'll twist it the other way. So stupid. These look fairly new. Looks like they might not have even been adjusted right, because looks like it was just wearing on the sides. Oh well, I already bought new ones. So many pieces. All right, I'll go take the other side apart. I'd say this rear end is pretty toast. Look at all this metal on this magnet. That's bearing, you know. All right, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and drop the chunk out here so I can get the chunk out and get the axles out, and then that'll make everything a lot lighter. So this is driver's side, this passenger side. We'll get some little baggies and label them up. Well, my little gun finally met its match on these U-bolts. It got most of them off. This one broke when I had to take it out by hand. And check this one out. I guess it just like ate away over the years. That's crazy. That would have been a bad day if that came apart. Oh, whoops. Forgot about the brake hose. Alrighty, well, I got the rear end out. I've created so many pieces everywhere. I think I'm going to have to take the fuel tank out after all to get that spring bolt, but I'm going to get cleaned up and call it a weekend.